1. Practice mindfulness meditation to focus your attention and clear your mind. 2. Reduce screen time and limit exposure to social media and news. 3. Declutter your physical environment to reduce distractions. 4. Write down your thoughts and feelings in a journal. 5. Get enough sleep to recharge your mind and body. 6. Take breaks throughout the day to give your mind a rest. 7. Practice deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and anxiety. 8. Challenge your beliefs and assumptions to foster a growth mindset. 9. Learn a new skill or hobby to stimulate your mind. 10. Practice gratitude to shift your focus towards positive thoughts. 11. Engage in physical exercise to reduce stress and improve brain function. 12. Spend time in nature to promote relaxation and clear your mind. 13. Practice positive affirmations to reinforce positive thinking patterns. 14. Seek out new experiences and perspectives to broaden your mind. 15. Engage in meaningful conversations with others to stimulate your mind. 16. Listen to music or engage in other creative pursuits to stimulate your mind. 17. Set goals and work towards achieving them to give your mind direction and purpose. 18. Seek out intellectual challenges and solve puzzles to improve cognitive function. 19. Connect with others through meaningful social interactions. 20. Engage in self-reflection to gain insight into your thoughts and emotions.